Welcome to another exciting video. Today we're going to be putting the Trident Aerator to the ultimate test, seeing if we can do this very compact, filled with rocks yard. We're trying to do it all today. I just ripped a couple of stumps out of the ground, so I thought it was going to be easy. It wasn't, so we chucked that in there first. Enjoy the video. So, front yard done. Very impressed with the Aerator so far. Working treat. Right now I'm procrastinating because 100 square meters done and I've got 650 to go. So I'm procrastinating, but just wanted to quickly show you. I'm not doing any weed treatments or grub treatments or anything this year because it's my first season here and I don't really know what I'm in for and I just want to see what happens. Except for one particular weed which we get out here. It's called goat's head. And I'd never heard of it till I moved out here and I stood on one and it bloody hurt. So I hate them. And I didn't think I had any, but I've got some and I just want to show you what it looks like. Because we're just gonna pretty much try and keep on top of it by pulling them out. Apparently it doesn't work out here, but that's what I'm gonna do because they reckon the only way to get rid of them is to burn them out. So this is what it looks like. You can see that's how long the root system is, and that's only a pretty small new plant. Pulled out about 7 like this yesterday, and if you can see here, just get the right angle. That little prickle right there, see it's got some thorns on it. Green right now, but it goes brown, and it's this seed that is just an absolute nightmare and it hurts so much when you stand on them. So hopefully we don't get too many of these, but we'll see how we go. We'll start ripping them out, and that's what the flower looks like, so I can start looking out for them, pull them out. But yeah, absolute devil spawn this one. So let's keep going with the aerating. Alrighty, footpath done, front yard done. They both took about 40 minutes and I am exhausted. But before I get into the backyard, I wanted to do a bit of a first impression. So this is what I first bought. I don't know why, because I've owned one of these before. And when I lived in Brisbane, and it doesn't take a core out, it basically just does solid tines. So this is a bit more sandy here. I thought I might give it a go, and it's what they sell at the local Bunnings. I thought being a bit more sandy would actually pull plugs out of the ground. Doesn't work at all. This is really annoying to keep standing on. It doesn't remove plugs. So if anyone wants a free one, let me know and I'll post it to you. Anyway, this is the Trident Lawnmowers 4-tine aerator that I've bought. They make it in Swanview, WA, and great big kit, awesome. Pulls cores out all day long. You got the solid bar here, so it's good. Works really well. The best thing about it, I reckon, is that it's actually seems to be welded top and bottom, so it's really, really solid. And that's what I was worried about here, is because I got a lot of rocks in the ground, and I was worried about something that was going to bend, break, because when you're doing so much of it, you don't go on the right angle and that sort of thing. It probably could break pretty easily, but this one is that well made that you hit a rock in the ground, and even if it's on one tine, it just kind of deflects, and you know, it doesn't break. So awesome so far. Really loving it. It pulls good cores out of the ground. Dropped it, but that's sort of what we're getting. So doing a great job. Now time to hit the backyard. Let's go. All finished. Thanks for watching. Gotta wrap it up today and get out of the battery. So, hello. This is what we're pulling out. Plugs like this. You can't see it very well, but it does a great job. Great product. Couldn't recommend it enough. Did the job awesome. I was a bit worried that I was going to break it or something. This video wasn't going to go very well, but it's built that tough that I really don't even think you could break it. So, thanks for watching. See you next week.